A man is now in police custody in connection with what's being described as a major car stealing ring in Clarendon. Reports indicate that on Friday, members of the security forces carried out a targeted operation in Racetrack where a large quantity of items believed to be stolen were recovered. Assistant Superintendent of the Clarendon Police, Eugene Downey, spoke with our news team.
At this location, a large assortment of motor vehicle parts was uncovered in what appeared to be a large car stealing ring. There was several assortment of parts for Hondas, Toyotas, and Nissan motor vehicles.
In addition to those items, ASP Downey says several engines with their numbers erased were also seized.
We also seized a Honda Civic motor car that the firewall is evidently tampered with. One suspect was taken into custody, and we expect to lay charges soon as we continue our investigations into this matter.